Welcome to Paul Bart's Garage again. This is going to be the update on the big muffler delete. Well, it turns out that when you order these kits from Khaos, make sure that you order the kit for your car, like if it's a manual or automatic, because the pipe sizes are different. We cut the mufflers out and we put the Khaos pipes up there. The Khaos pipes were like a 2.25, and the or actually my stock for an automatic is 2.25, and the Khaos sent me 2.5, which is my fault, I guess. I didn't put in there that it was for an automatic. I thought I did. I thought I know I had emailed them a couple of times back and forth to make sure I got the proper fitment for my car, and there was right at the last minute they sent me a revised I guess an email in regards to what they had available, and I just clicked on it and ordered it thinking it was the same thing, which it wasn't. But the good thing about it is my son is an avid welder. We have a welding machine and he can weld, so we're going to make it work. But on this 2013 Challenger, it's an automatic. From what I understand, the cats to the X pipe that comes in here factory are 2.5, but then beyond the end of the X pipe, when it goes to the mufflers back to the resonators, is 2.25. So if you're welding in pipes around the cats before you get to the X pipe, which there's no need in that because they're already pretty big pipes, they're the same as what Khaos sent me. But just make sure when you're ordering these these muffler deletes, that you make sure if your car is an automatic, you order the ones for the automatic, because your pipes are different from the X pipe back. If you order one for a manual, they're actually bigger. So unless you're an avid welder and you have a welder like I do, and a son who's a really good welder, went through welding school and knows what he's doing, then go ahead and buy the bigger pipes and weld them in there. Don't know if it's going to make much difference in the sound or performance because it's a bigger pipe, but I guess we'll see. But anyway, that's the update on it. Just make sure that when you're ordering for the Khaos, that you order one for the automatic. If you're automatic, order one for the manual, because it does make a huge difference in the pipe sizes. Anyway, it's just an update. This will probably be part 2 of this. What should have been a 20-minute install, which would have been if the pipes were the right size, and that's my fault. But anyway, peace out, bye.